plastic, food packaging, daily chemicals, wood, composite nylon, PVC, glass. Scan it, and boom, know it all. So, how does GS1 change our everyday life? Every product hides a secret. By scanning a GS1 code, both consumers and businesses can quickly access detailed product data, such as origin, production batch, logistics information, and relevant certifications, enabling full traceability from production to consumption. GS1 quietly tells you whether that shampoo is real or fake, which farm that vegetables came from. A tiny code may look small, but it makes the whole world safer, smarter, and way more efficient.